I'm Sierra Bells. Welcome to my channel, Learning Bells Live. Today we are going to talk about logarithms. Let's take a look at today's sum. Solve for x and y. Log of x by 3. These are the two equations. Log of x by 3 equal to log of y by 2. And log of the product xy equal to 5. Let's do this. First, we will work with this equation. Log of x by 3 equal to log of y by 2. Now, by doing cross multiplication, we get, or we have 2 into log of x equal to 3 into log of y. We can consider log of x and log of y. We can consider log of x equal to a and log of y equal to b. Then we can write this as, it implies that 2a equal to 3b, or 2a minus 3b equal to 0. This is our first equation, and we can mark this as 1. Moving on to working with the second equation, log of the product xy equal to 5. And we know if it's like log of the product ab, it is equal to log of a plus log of b. Then here we get log of x plus log of y equal to 5, which implies that a plus b equal to 5. Now we will multiply 3 by this, or it gives us 3a plus 3b equal to 15, which I will mark as 2. Means this one is 2, and from here, by multiplying with 3, we can mark this as 3. So now we may take a look at the board. Moving on to the rest of our sum. Continue. We got the 3 equations here. Now, we will do 1 plus 3 plus 3, where we eliminate 3b. Minus 3b and plus 3b gets cancelled, and we are left with 2a plus 3a, which is 5a, equal to 0 plus 15 is obviously 15. Or a equal to 3, 15 by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. Easily we got a. Now, substituting the value of a in equation 2, we will get 3 plus b equal to 5, or b equal to 5 minus 3, which is 2. We got the values of a and b, but the sum doesn't stop here because we were not asked for a and b. That's what we can consider. Log of x is a and log of y is b, but we actually need to get x and y, so let's move on. We got a and b. Now, we consider that log of x to the base 10. Here, no base is mentioned. That means the base is 10. Log of x to the base 10 equal to a, which is 3. Or, now writing in the exponential form, it is 10 to the power 3 equal to x, or x equal to 1,000. This is the first value. This is the value of x, and now we're getting the value of y. How? Log of y to the base 10 is equal to b, which is 2. Or 10 to the power 2 is equal to y, or y equal to 100. This is the second value which we got. So finally, therefore, the required solution is x equal to 1000 and y equal to 100. This is our final answer. Now we may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.